Welcome to the Garage USA. After a brief hiatus, I've decided to reboot my channel and focus on my die-cast car collection, which consists mostly of Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. I will be showcasing my cars and also featuring some restorations and some custom builds. Today I will be showcasing two of my Mercedes-Benzes, a Hot Wheels 380 SEL and a Hot Wheels 300 TD wagon. The 380 SEL is a car that I've had in my collection since I was about 8 years old. This was a car that I kept in my collection of nice cars that didn't get much play. As you can see, the car is in pristine condition with no flaws in the paint's finish. The 300 TD is a recent acquisition that has chips and scratches in the paint and obvious signs of play. This is one of the many station wagons that I've purchased over the past year. I haven't decided what I'll be doing with this one yet. And this is an original Hot Wheels red line that I've also owned for as long as I can remember. I discovered spray paint at some point and, well, this was the result. This car has seen much better days, and I plan to do a custom restoration on this one. I hope you will join me for this series of videos, and if you enjoyed what you watched, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.